that Article 1, the name of the corporation is, you know, babies need names. 2, the address of the corporation is babies needs an address, so that you can send a tax filing. Article 3, the purpose of the corporation is to engage in any lawful act for which a corporation may now or hereafter be organized under the Delaware Corporation Law. And then, very importantly, Article 4, classes of stock. This corporation is authorized to issue 2 classes of stock to be designed respectively common stock and preferred stock. And so in the Articles of Incorporation, you define how the shares are in terms of amount, in terms of value, in terms of rights connected to it, etc., etc. Articles of Incorporation are a foundational document of a legal person, but subject to change. And if you change Articles of Incorporation, that is discussed in Chapter 7, Fundamental Changes. And normally, the owners, shareholders, are those who can change then the Articles of Incorporation. For instance, pertaining to the classes of share, you say, well, let's get rid of the preferred stock and replace it with priority stock or whatever stock there is out there. And then one of your exercises with your multinational enterprises was to locate the Articles of Incorporation, and well, they tell at least half of the story. You know, okay, they exist, and there's some statement on 1 tier, 2 tier, supervisory, yes, no, types of shares, amount of shares, but that doesn't say too much yet. Think of the king of Saudi Arabia, you know, he has a lot of shares, but yeah, what does it mean? So here we have the story of the establishment, with all kinds of connected themes. For instance, the legal person needs a board. Just as a recap, 2 flavors, 1 tier, 2 tier. So during the establishment, that is the latest moment, you have to make up your mind. But not forever, because it can change. Equals fundamental change. Transforming a 2-tier board into a 1-tier board, and then 1 year later making it a 2-tier board again. You know, who cares? So those are things you could connect to the theme of establishment. And then break is much overdue. So with apologies, 10 minutes, and then we move on with bankruptcy. Thank you.